sort of excitement in the unknown, right? If it was 100% certain, it was not going to be as exciting. Like it wouldn't probably fire you up to do it. And this is the exact reason why we should be pursuing our dreams, our goals. We should be dreaming big, setting big goals. And if it doesn't excite us, it doesn't deserve your effort and your sacrifice, man. So get after it, brother. To recover, can I walk again, like any of that stuff, right? So me being outside training again feels freaking surreal to me, and I'm so grateful. Thank God from the bottom of my heart that I can do what I love again. I'm given another chance. Yeah, and even though I'm at the start, I can feel the progress, and this is driving me, man. It's just feeling my soul. It's motivating me. It's giving me a lot of life and passion. So I'm really looking forward to this and just see what's going on in the next 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 12 weeks, the following 3 months. It's only going to be getting better, man. So super grateful, super pumped, and can't wait to see what the days keep bringing by. Let's go, brother. Keep doing your own work, man. Whatever goals you've set for yourself, just keep fucking working. The start is always hard. Maybe you don't see much, you don't have a lot of clarity right now. You're not sure how it's going to work out, if it's going to work out, but I think there is some Completed, bro. Day 19. It's already done and dusted. Each workout's getting better, man. Even though yesterday I fasted 22 hours, went really hard. Yesterday's session was really good. I had a day rest prior to that. So yesterday was probably one of the best sessions so far. Well rested, the strongest that I've been, crazy intensity, 1 hour non-stop, just go, go, go. So it was good, really good. But because yesterday I only had one meal, no more than 1,500 calories at most. I had this big bowl of pasta. I went 2 bowls of pasta, tons of protein, but no more than 100 grams of protein, and definitely not over 1,500-600 calories at most. And today I can feel this. I had low calories, 2 long fasts yesterday, huge workout, and I didn't quite recover as well. But that's good, man. Like, those are just normal days, just part of the process. I wanted to complete today. So today was good. Tomorrow we're hitting cardio, full rest day. I'm gonna eat plenty of calories today. Tomorrow is gonna be just structured food because it's my day off. So I'm gonna keep carbs in moderation. Protein is gonna be high. And then, so tomorrow is day 20. Then the day after, we're going hard again. So I think week, maybe maximum 2 weeks, I'll join the gym. I just want to really feel myself getting back into proper shape before I step into a gym, and I'm just enjoying myself outdoor training now. It's great. And really probably the most important part, which is also the reason why I'm joining a gym right now, is my leg, just so I can use the machinery and the equipment, and I can have just more dedicated structured training for my leg and my rehab of my leg. But my leg is doing good, man. It's also getting stronger. I just need a lot more volume and a lot more variety for my leg. It isn't just calf raises. I need a lot of stuff. So right now I'm still quite static. So I'm just doing kind of like seated calf raise, standing calf raise. Just really not much more to that, like some band work and stuff like that, isometrics. But I need to start transitioning to more dynamic movements, like light jumping, transitioning to running soon, or just at least light jogging, right? So I can bear my body weight. And I'm like 112 kilos right now as well, so I'm pretty heavy. So as I keep on losing weight, and as I kind of keep on getting my calves stronger, everything is going to get easier for me. So really looking forward to this, man. It's still surreal to me that I'm outside here training again, dialed in my diet, having my training structured, making progress, just having my life back, man. Like, I'm eternally grateful for this. 10 months, I just couldn't do anything close to what I've always done my entire life. I couldn't train. Everything was a question mark. Am I going to recover?